make I show you some of our layouts. So, some of our layouts. Our layout plenty like this, eh? Very plenty layouts. Now, like I dey talk, you see now one of the layouts with this, you dey see am. And you see inside this layout, you go see say I don tick this one for praise, this one. 4 plots is taken out of this layout. The number of plots wey dey here no reach 5 again. Na so we get different layouts for here. Are you getting it? Then you see another one. See this one now. You go see say na another separate layout with this. You dey see? This one is taken. This one is taken. Are you getting me? Names are written on it. These ones are left. Plenty layout like that. All you need to do is to call Madam Pekle Africa on 09034296519 to come collect your own plot. You dey hear me so? Come collect your own plot. If you want layout, it's just 7 million naira. And this land wey you dey see like this is a survey plan. It's located just off Peter Odi Road in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. Anywhere where you dey hear me from this video, quickly dey call me. Don't say I no tell you. Madam Good News don't give you the good news. It's left for you to take action. And Madam Pekle Africa, as I always stand for office, I wait for you. Quickly call me. Madam Pekle Africa, they wait for you.